Gates open, they're up and from the outside, Blue Material. Then moving up by the rail, Got to Know, Angelus comes next. Then followed by Sabuhin and Shine Again is in behind them. Heading towards the last 900, Adonis in command by 3/4 of a length lead. Blue Material in between runners. Then moving up now by the rail, Sabuhin is sneaking in between horses. Got to Know, Angelus second last, and Shine Again. Rounding at the last 600, Adonis running on the outside. Blue Material by the rail. Got to Know catching the third spot. Then comes Sabuhin, Angelus, and Shine Again. As they race at the last 450, Adonis running on the outside. Blue Material, Got to Know racing in third. Sabuhin, Angelus, and Shine Again. And down the stretch they come. Adonis running on the outside. Blue Material by the rail. Got to Know. Blue Material running by the rail. Adonis, Got to Know is in third with 75 meters. Blue Material, Adonis is on the outside. Got to Know, and finally Blue Material, Adonis, Got to Know, Sabuhin, Angelus, and Shine Again.
Mukhang 5-4-1 ang ating datingan. At maganda nga